What's happening, people? You can see it's a nice day.
Yeah.
We're here, summer soon come. Just made a good recipe.
Yes.
What did you just make?
It's steamed fish.
All it is fish stock.
Fish stock.
And just a little bit of butter, light, unsalted butter. So it's very healthy.
But yeah, guys, check it out. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and enjoy the recipe, guys.
Yeah, make it.